Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few items to share with you today from FGNormal. They were kind enough to send me some goodies to share with you all. So I'm going to start with sort of the bigger item before we move on to some of the other things. But this is one of the new items that they have in their sort of shop. And it's a cute little kitty, maybe. I think it's supposed to be like a little kitty. But basically this is a mini Hoover. So it does have some sort of bristles. It can be used on a surface in general, but it is perfect for picking up diamonds. So the top does sort of twist off for you to put two AA batteries in, and then it does have two sections that do twist off on the bottom because I had it off. So if I just, I've got it on too tight obviously. So basically these two sort of sit in the bottom and all your diamonds will go into here, so that you can basically pick them up off your desk. They'll just go in around here or around this sort of section so that you can then tip them back into your pot if you did happen to make a mess, which I have been known to do. But I say that's one of their new little items. It's got a little on off switch on the side, but very sweet, very cute to just, you know, have about, because why not? I will pop links to everything, of course, down below so that you can see them, but that was one. Then also, this is the second item that you could sort of see before we get into the diamond paintings. But it was partly the colour of this that attracted me, I must say. It's a beautiful sort of coppery rose gold sort of colour, but it's a very, very cute little tin. But what also attracted me, and this is what I mainly saw, is it's got some tweezers in it, but they're really, really sweet. They are blunt end tweezers, but look, they're a little stalk. They are quite blunt on the end, so that could potentially be extremely good. They're a little bit thicker as well, so you can sort of, because you can do it in a few different places to pick up your diamond, so you can squeeze it down here on the main sort of wing of the stalk, or if you want a little bit, you know, to be a little bit closer, you can do it by the head of the stalk. It does come with a little cover, but they're not sharp, but I thought they were really, really nice. What it does also come with is a little Torchlight pen, I think. So I'm pretty sure that, yeah, this can be used as a pen. So that top goes into there, but it does shine a torch through. I'm trying to think, have I got... So it comes with a micro USB to sort of charge this up. Oh, it's got some in it. Let me turn off my lights. So can you see? You could see it slightly. It is daytime here, but that allows you to sort of see where you're going a little bit closer if you do struggle seeing some of the symbols or some of the lights. Some of the symbols, or whether you do struggle with light, this will give you light as you're placing your diamonds. And it's a nice colour and a nice chunk. Right, let me turn my light back on, flash. Whew, while it readjusts. But yeah, it's a really nice colour, and it comes with its own little USB wire for you to charge that up. And then you do also get, which you can switch out and get hold of it, some little multi-placers. So we've got an angled one, we've got what looks like a 6, a 9 or a 10 and a 3. Is that a 6? Doesn't actually say on it, but it looks about a 6. About a 3, 6 and a 9, I'd say. And then a little angled one as well. But I must admit it was the colour and the little light pen that sort of attracted me to this little set. Plus it comes in a really nice little tin, so it's something handy to sort of have in your little toolkit arsenal. Let me just get that wire in properly. Just for those times that you do need said tweezers or light pen, etc. So that will be going in my little cart that holds all my goodies. So then we do also have 2 diamond paintings, of which I don't know which ones these are. So let's get into them and have a look. Get my scissors in to get them open. So the first one is a special diamond painting. I just thought he was sweet. So it's a gnome. Let me just get the canvas to lie a little bit flatter. It is a partial, so it is printed in places, and then you do add diamonds in others. So can you see where there's the symbols? That's where you add the diamonds on top, but the rest is printed underneath. And it just says "Let It Be" at the bottom. You do get a toolkit, boat wax and pen, and we do get a few ABs mixed in with special diamonds by the looks of it, which is always good. Sorry about that, got a phone call coming through. Okay, so let's have a look at the diamonds. So we do have some that have an AB coating. So the red has an AB coating, but then the black is a crystal, which you can tell because of the silver back. Then we've got a brown crystal, green crystals, pink, red and silver crystals. So it looks as though they've just done the AB coating on the red, and I'm guessing that's to get it more of a vivid red than the sort of red that you end up getting from the crystals is more of a burgundy type red. Oh, we then have a lot of these. These are all in the flowers and they're silver, so they appear, it's this symbol that appears in all the flowers. You get a big diamond, and then we've got yellow and red in bigger crystal diamonds. So yeah, I just thought he looked kind of cool with his little peace symbol. Nice one for sort of springtime as well. Now the weather's getting a bit nicer. If you've got like maybe a potting shed or something, garden shed, I think he'd look cute hung up in there. But yeah, that was number 1 of the 2 diamond paintings. And then to have a look at the second, which one's this? Oh, so this one, I wasn't sure, I just like the image on this one. It is a square. I do like to get some squares for a little bit of difference, but this one, I will pop links down below so that you can see the image a little bit better. But it's just sort of a colourful sort of lake with a castle and a bit of a sunset. It's more of a cartoony type image, but considering the size, I do think it's reflected quite well. And of course, my tape measure is in the other room. So let's see if my ruler will tell us the full distance of this, and we'll have to make sure I get my tape measure. So this is just under 34 centimetres and just under 24.5 centimetres. So it is a bit smaller than the 30 by 40, which of course is the canvas size, but this is a poured glue. You do get a straightener in this toolkit, not seen that before. Quite nice when it does come to squares as well. I do use the straightener a lot when I'm doing squares. So let's have a look at the colours. So we have, oh, we've got some nice colours in this, though I do like those blues. That looks like it's the same colour twice. We do have the MC numbers with these. So we've got some more greens, again, these sort of turquoisey, greeny type colours. That is in there twice as well, which is probably what's made this picture catch my eye, to be honest. Got sort of periwinkle blue and a blues. Then we've got some nice little pops of more vivid colour. The diamonds look good from what I can see. And then we've got some purples. We don't have any 310, which is always nice. We do have 939 though, which is sort of these darker parts and some of these darker parts in the scenery down here. But overall, I think that's a really, really nice painting, especially for the size. And if you want to try a square, it's always nice to start on a small one as well. So, thank you so much to FGNormal for these items, but we've got a special little note, a beautiful scene. We've got sticky tape everywhere. We've got a little toolkit with a little, well, just a beautiful stalk pair of tweezers and a pen, and then we have our little Hoover. But I hope you've enjoyed these items. I will pop a link down below to them all in case you are interested. But thank you so much to FGNormal for sending me these. Thank you to you guys for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.